Alright, so here's the new house. See, looks pretty cool. Got some stuff to fix, that's okay. Let's go through a walkthrough. Nice little path up. Here's the sneak through here. Would be kind of the front door entrance to the basement apartment. I don't know if you can really see because it's so light out. But yep, so those two windows are gonna get replaced. Door get replaced, clean this out. Probably put a little wrought iron fence right here, and then I guess spiral staircase down. Alright, let's go in the front door. This is actually the screen door. So here is where the original staircase to the basement was. Got taken out in '72. So then this half of the house, underneath here, is the basement apartment. Underneath here is just basically utilities underneath here, and the kitchen's underneath there. We'll walk through there in a bit. Start over here. Here's the living room. Two built-ins. Kelsey punched a hole, or smashed a hole, to reveal the brick behind fireplace number 1. Say hello, Kelsey.
Hi.
Ceiling. I don't think those are structural, but we'll find out here in a bit. Here's where the new kitchen's gonna go. Take a look at some of this brick here. This is probably close to the original brick. This is a kind of cool mantle. It's nice, washed it up, so make it look nice. These floorboards are pretty cool. If you look at these are not same width. And so you know they're old. This entire room is all one board. It's all one board length. So I don't know what that was. But that's okay because they're 1 inch thick. So pretty cool. Walk into here, this I guess originally was his plant room, but the ceiling leaked, so we'll go upstairs and take a look at that. That's a new roof up there, so that's the underside of that. Kitchen's currently in the basement. This is gonna be the new kitchen, so I don't know the layout yet, but island, you know, L-shaped stuff, stove in the middle, fridge right here, sink on the island. Yeah. So here's just looking at the front door. This is the original baluster, which is pretty cool because it curves, which is really unique to do. So I guess we'll go upstairs. As you can see, here's the joint before the actual curve of the wood. So kind of going up and taking a look at that. So that's the curve, which is really cool. Here's the loft. I don't know what he was thinking back in the 70s, smoking a bunch of weed, but you've got a loft. I don't know. It's kind of cool. You can see it's timber framed in, so I mean, it's unique. I don't know why there's a mirror up there. Maybe it's to help with light. So we're gonna door this off. We'll probably put some bigger fans, drop them down with some lights, and get rid of all these fucking spider webs. Oh, excuse the language. Bathroom. Clawfoot tub. Repaint. Inside's good. Couldn't even explain it. But yeah, here's the shower. You can see the clawfoot tub's in pretty good shape. It's just dirty. Usually the enamel's all messed up. This one's good to go. Sink. Toilet. I don't know, probably be replaced. Sink. Little vanity out here. Something narrow. This is about 17 inches, so it's kind of awkward with the window right here. But this will get replaced with tin roof because this needs to be replaced. Pull a bunch of crap out of the attic. There it is. It's all mostly gonna go to the dump. free ladder. That's cool. You know, here's kind of the, I don't know if you can see out there, front yard. Here's the new roof that was just replaced. And this looks out to the backyard. Gonna try and buy those 2 lots down there. And then over there a bit, probably about 400 meters, 500 meters is the Appomattox River. So this is the hill in the historic Petersburg that overlooks the river. Another fireplace. Probably not gonna smash the brick or the drywall off of that one. Put a closet here. I'll do that. Like bed, dresser, or I don't know. Well, Kelsey will lay it out, however. I'm not good with that. This window's smashed up, so it needs to be replaced. Right now, I'm just boarded up, so we'll get a new window. There's a local person here in Petersburg who makes them for about $700 a piece, so it'll probably have to be a wooden window because it's in a historic district, but that's okay. Some call it a porch. Depends. I consider it a balcony because the grade drops about 15 feet. So here's your view as you walk out. There's the backyard. So that probably slopes. That's probably a good 30 feet from entrance to there. So this is High Street and that's Low Street. Currently owned to that big tree right there. But the goal is to buy those 2 lots. The lady wants to sell them. And I need a place for the dog to run around because he's a wild man. But yeah, so this is a 500 square foot screened in porch or balcony, however you want to call it. It's pretty cool. We're going to put central air in, so I'm not worried about that. I'm going to put some beadboard up here. I guess this is functional. It was big in the early 70s. That's when you had to put in. This goes all, obviously it goes all the way to the ground level. But yeah, just kind of make this a little nicer. There's electric out here, so that's kind of cool. This was put on in 72. So, here's I guess another view. Big giant tree. More ivy. That ivy's all gotta go. It's all gotta go. So yeah, let's go down the basement. The other basement is nailed shut for the basement apartments. We're not gonna go in there today. Maybe go in there next week or in a couple of weeks here. We got a hunt trial we're going to. Okay. Yeah. So. Here's the walkout French door. So here's where he currently has the kitchen. Turn some lights on here. There we go. Yeah. So he bricked the floor, so it's concrete and brick, and there's also, which is interesting, ductwork that's poured into the concrete. I haven't seen that before. Here's so this is the original fireplace to the house. We think it was re-mortared in the 70s, but it's hard to tell. Definitely this was redone in the 70s, the interior. But I don't know if this, I think this was re-tuck point with the original bricks. Here's where the kitchen was, so it would have been kitchen, stove. So, you know, it's 1700s house. Late 1700s, so the kitchen was in the basement. But these are kind of cool. One of the boards is broken, so it needs to be boarded up right now just for kind of security purposes because nobody's living here. This is plumbed for a half bath. I don't know if we'll put one in. Eventually, put one in probably with a sliding barn door. Up there, you can kind of see. And then this is just utilities. You know, there's not really much you can see right here without too many lights. So I'll get some light bulbs here throughout the week and put them in. Well, you can see kind of here is where you walk in. The door outside is boarded up, so you walk in, you get an option of going to your kitchen on the far side, or you can come in here to the utility room. So you can see where the bricks, you stop bricking down here. I don't know, I guess that's about it. I guess we can go outside and do a walk around too. I'll start the video up in a second.